That's the vent for the dryer. So you can see there's a lot of lint in there getting caught just on this little cage on there. So just imagine how much lint is actually in the dryer vent itself. Lint is a major fire hazard, so I definitely want to get that fixed. Welcome back to another episode of Mr. Fix It the Realtor. I'm Zach Lipson, and in this episode, I'm going to show you how to disconnect your dryer and clean your dryer vent. The first thing we're going to do is unplug the power. After that, we're going to pull back the machine just a little bit, and we'll disconnect the vent. But we don't want to pull on it too hard because you could actually damage the vent or pull it out from the wall. So you can see there's a little vent connecting between the actual dryer to the vent in the wall. We want to gently pull the dryer out. The vent connected to the dryer has a lot of length on it, so we'll be able to pull this out with plenty of space to easily get in there to disconnect it from the wall. So you'll see there's actually a clamp on here, and we're just going to unscrew that a little bit to loosen it so we can pull this right off. So I went on Amazon, and for less than $25 I bought this little kit that's got the brush on it and then these little pieces that screw together. The first thing you're going to do is screw your brush onto here. And they come with these little rubber caps that you can take off when you connect each of these pieces together. Simply screw together pretty easily. These are pretty bendable, as you can see, so they're not going to snap and break. It's designed to go through flexible spaces. There's a little part to be aware of. This. So that way we can go ahead and fasten. As we go further in the vent, I'll go ahead and unscrew this piece and put another piece onto it. So when you first go in here, in my particular instance, this piece of ductwork is going to turn straight up. I already know that it vents out through the ceiling to the side of the house, so I know I'm going to have to push a little bit just to get it to turn. And you see how easy it goes through. So as I push it further, I'm going to add more lines. With the drill still in the forward motion, I'm going to pull the drill towards me, pulling any leftover lint that didn't get cleaned out before. Now that I've had an opportunity to clean everything out, I've cleaned up everything back here as well. And I'm going to go ahead and reconnect the dryer vent. Make sure it's snug to the wall. Tighten this up. Everything's connected, plugged it back in. I've pushed this back gently in a way that the current vent in the back of the dryer that connects to the wall is not blocked at all, so that lint and heat travel through that. With this done, we may notice that clothes dry faster because now the system is able to vent properly and get the proper airflow it needs. And most importantly, there's no more fire hazard. As always, thanks for watching. Be sure to go ahead and push that subscribe button. And if you have some ideas of content that you'd like to see me publish, let me know. I'd love to hear from you.